Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this quick access emergency cash platform, which is fastloanadvance.com. So let's dive into it. Talking about fastloanadvance.com is designed to give borrower quick access to emergency cash even for those with bad credit. The application is simple, approval are fast, and in many cases funds can be deposited the same day. Many customers highlight its convenience, speed, and accessibility, which make it appealing for people in urgent need of short-term loan. On the downside, the service has a major drawback. Interest rate can be extremely high, hidden fees are reported, and some users complain about aggressive lender follow-ups. This makes it risky compared to traditional options. Overall, fastloanadvance.com might help in urgent situation, but because of its high cost and red flag, it's better as a last resort, while safer alternatives like credit union or trusted lender should come first. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.